I'm Miranda and welcome to how to apply blinds to your window because there is no blinds. Okay, you have to do it. Anyways, here we have the blinds that we're going to install in the window. And then what you need is a toolbox with various tools and items. And then you're going to need your supplies that you probably came with your $180 blinds. And then you will need one or two beers, okay? And and then random cat puke and one of these cellular phone because you will drill someone if you're not careful enough, okay? Also, you need one of these drills. Oh, this is a powerful one. You have to put the peel in the drill. You know this the little thing here? Okay. Welcome to part 2. Today we are doing the blinds, okay? Don't forget that. So we have the drill and we have one screw. Oh, and we need our part. This one. Right? No. This one. But how come they look the same? Okay, we have this one. And well, I have marked the holes right here because I did some measurements. You need also one of these measuring things, pink in color, if you could possibly buy one. Anyways, we are going to now drill the hole. Oh, this is not good. I hope you remember to drink some of your beer, okay? Because nothing is so fun without it. Okay. Shit. Oops. We're going to do this. Oh. Put it through the hole. And then line it up. And drill. Uh-oh. This is a little bit weird for me. I seem to have hit something that is not good. I will get back to you. This is the time for the next one. You have to be very careful. This is how to put the thing in here, okay? Now, let's try this again. Put screw and thing, whatever it's called, I don't know English. And carefully put through here. Okay. Oh, this is not good. This is stuck. Oh, I'm drunk. Anyways, now we screw. Ooh, it's not moving. Okay. Uh-oh. But it's not good. I'll get back to you again. Okay. This is our 9th attempt at doing this. I don't suck, I swear. Don't drink and screw. Literally. Oh! Stuck in her. I'll get back to you again. Time for taking a break. It's a good idea. Oh. Now we're finished. I don't know. It was just so easy. What we did was this little thing opens up and you push it in. And then you snap it shut and then here you go. You go up and down. Okay, it's done. Go home. Take a shit.